stop? Show me your hands. All right, show me your hands, though. Why didn't you stop right away? Okay, I'll explain all that. Get back in the car for a minute.
I'm not even doing it, ma'am.
Radio,
he's my mom's house.
Send me another car.
I didn't even do anything.
Stop.
What are you doing?
Stop.
What? Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Please do not touch me. I'm not doing anything.
Stop.
You are being recorded. I did not do anything, ma'am. Can you please let my arm go? Why are you grabbing me?
Because I asked you to stop. You're at a
Stop
traffic stop.
grabbing me. Please stop grabbing me.
Radio,
Ma.
step it up.
Ma. Can you please stop grabbing me? I didn't do anything. I don't know. This lady just
Get on the ground.
Stop grabbing me. What are you doing?
You're not going in the house.
Yes, I am. Move. What are you doing? Stop. Ah. What are you doing?
You're on a traffic stop.
I don't know what you're doing.
Okay, you need to get out of it. You need to stop.
Can you please leave me alone?
No.
I did not do anything.
Get on the ground.
Whoa.
Get on the ground.
Ma'am, you are being recorded.
That's fine. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
I don't have a weapon.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Why?
Get on the ground.
See, my hands are free.
Okay, get on the ground.
I didn't do anything.
You're not listening. Get on the ground.
Ma'am, I didn't do anything.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get in the house.
That's my brother.
Get in the house.
I can't go in my mom's
Get on the ground.
Why?
Get on the ground.
What did I do? I am recording you, ma'am. I'm not getting on the ground.
You're not listening. Get on the ground.
I got you recording.
That's fine. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground right now. Get on the ground right now.
Get in the house.
On the ground. On the ground. Get on the ground right
Get in the
now.
house.
Taser, taser, taser.
Why would you tase my brother? He didn't do shit.
One's been tased.
Fucking tased. This nigga didn't do shit. We wanted for the law.
Get in the house.
Get in the house. Move me, bitch. You think you never
Hey, get back right now. Get back. Get back.
Shoot me, motherfucker.
Get back.
Get in the house.
I'm not moving. Get off me. Why you
Hey.
touching me? Why you
You're
touching me?
obstructing. Get in
Get
the house.
back.
Why you touch me? I'm not
They ain't just go in the house,
I'm not
bro.
I'm not
Get us a couple more guys. Somebody came up here. We got some more.
Get off me.
Fine, turn around.
No, bro.
You want to obstruct? Turn around.
Standing right here.
Let's grab this guy.
I don't know what's going on. Oh my God.
I'll give it to you again if you give us a problem.
I'm not gonna do anything.
On your face. On your face. Hands behind your back. Okay.
Oh my God.
Yes, we will.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I did not do anything. I do not know what's going on.
I
Well,
struck. I'm standing right there recording. Fucking bitch, don't run.
you should probably just listen.
I asked you to get in the house.
You still with that dude on?
That's my little brother. He didn't do anything. We didn't do anything.
No, he did a lot because he wouldn't listen to us, and you wouldn't listen to us.
All I was doing was at my mom's house. I pulled up.
What?
I just pulled up.
Black car that
No, it's this one right
I
here.
just pulled up to my mom's house. That's it. I don't even know why she even did
It
that.
doesn't matter
I
what.
used all my blinkers.
How about you just
I was
listen?
doing the speed limit. I was not speeding.
Hey,
None of that.
listen, this is your problem. You don't listen. You just want to talk.
I don't know why she pulled me over.
It doesn't matter if you know. She was probably going to explain it to you. You didn't want to listen.
You jumped out of the car and tried to run into the
I
house.
didn't try to run into the house. All I did was got out of the car, asked what's going on, and went to my mom's house.
231.
That's it.
Here, let's roll to your side here. Anything I need to worry about that's on you. Anything sharp.
No, can you get this off these handcuffs? My shoulder is dislocated. That's why I have a sling on. I have a prescription for that. It's
Oh, I
in my
bet you do,
vehicle.
and they sell it in these little baggies too, don't they?
Actually, no, they gave it in the bottle.
You don't have to
I put
answer
it in
that. I'm just. Don't matter to me.
Oh, don't get that out.
That's how you do it. That's the
You're
only way to
supposed
get
to
them
wait
out.
for the EMT. I know how this go.
Yeah, you know a lot, don't you?
I've never been tased before. That just hurt.
I bet it does.
Shit.
Lost station at Jet Center. Please give me Henry Charles 5279.
All right, so
5279. Black Mercedes SUV.
I got this side pretty good.
I don't have nothing.
You got a bag of weed in your pocket.
That's nothing.
19 copies.
I agree, it is.
what you think, bud? There you go.
All right, let's roll to this side now.
My shoulder's dislocated.
Okay.
What? That's the arm. You see a sling.
Well, I'm not really pulling it, man. I'm just trying to get the thing out of your hand so you
Just
don't.
want to make sure you don't have anything on you that you.
Electrocute yourself again.
Okay. Well, we gotta check.
Just get wrapped around your thumb.
Yeah, it's wrapped around with them.
6480, whoever else is coming can slow it down.
Get wrapped around your thumb. So hold on 1 second, okay? There we go.
6 is on 7.
Good. All right, let's come to our feet, man. Let's go. You just go to your knees. Go to your knees first, and then stand up. There you go. You got room in yours, or you got somebody in it already?
No, there's nobody in mine.
All right, we're gonna walk right over here, sir.
Explain to you why you pulled me over.
All right.
We're gonna do
We'd
all
love to
that
get
here in
to
a little
that
bit.
point.
You had a chance
You
to
wanted
be.
to jump out of the car and try to run into the house.
Here, hold
That's
on,
the
we're gonna-
problem.
Go ahead and have a seat.
Get in the car.
I'm being detained. I'm not being arrested, right?
You're under arrest.
Oh, you're under
Why
arrest.
am I under arrest?
Because of everything you did after you jumped out of the car. When you turn it in an intersection,
Why? I used my blinker.
you didn't. For number one, you didn't use your blinker on.
I did. I used both of my blinkers. I used my blinker when I turned left.
All right, you let me
coming
know
to
when you
here,
want me to
and I
talk.
used my blinker turning right when I came into
Okay,
here.
You let me know when you want me to talk.
Go ahead.
Okay. You got off the freeway.
Yeah. Use my blinker.
You did.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then when you switched into the center lane, you did not use your blinker.
You should have did that
Okay.
before I even came here. Then, if that's the case, then I did use my blinker
Okay. You done? Or you want me to continue?
because my blinker was still blinking to go into the left lane.
Okay. Are you done? Thanks. Are you done?
Mhm.
Okay. Then you approach 305. I'm sorry, you approach Euclid Avenue from 305. When you make a left turn, you got to stay in the left lane, and then you indicate to get into the right lane. You just went right into the right lane. That's an improper turn in an intersection.
Go ahead.
Okay?
Driver
And then I activate the lights, and you continue into Severn, and
know- I
all
didn't
the
know
way
you
to
were-
the
you
car.
were doing
And
that
then
for me?
I put my
I didn't
put my
know you-
siren
I didn't know
on.
you were doing that for me.
Then you
When I
continued.
turned-
What about
when I
right here?
turned- When I turned, there's another car on the side of me. When
And
I
then
was
what
coming
about
in.
right here? Then you continued all the way into your
I
parking spot
asked you
and then out
why
here.
you were reaching for your weapon. I had a sling on. You
No.
reaching for your weapon, of
Not
course.
until you
of course
ran
I'm
into
gonna walk
the-
off. You're reaching for your weapon. I'm fearful for my life.
Okay.
What you mean?
Okay, what's going on?
So I activated it before I got into Severn. He continued into Severn. I activated my siren. He continued all the way into here, exited. I didn't see his hands. Didn't know he had a sling. He got it. He unzipped for me and started to run into there. And then another gentleman came out of the house. So at that point, I drew down
So
until
then
somebody
he was
said
only
that.
one guy
Correct.
in the car?
Correct.
Okay.
He came out.
Yeah, one's in our car.
I told him to go in, go in, go in, go in.
Mm-hmm.
He didn't.
And he wouldn't go in?
No. He kept coming out.
Okay.
Coming out.
I think.
At that point, I drew down until somebody came up.
Okay.
And then Bob came up with the taser. And
All right. You have an idea yet?
Not yet.
David 2, David 1 assignment.
No.
1.
Not yet.
1018 code 2 residential on Foxwood Court, showing garage door. 2 copies, 100 months. 1 copy, Isley 2.
No, didn't go?
Okay, Brittany, if you could start over to Lost Nation North Condos, J as in John. I have a report of a fight between a male and a female on the side of that building.
19 copies downtown. 8 copies.
He wanted out of this car bad.
Apparently they're in a blue vehicle on the side of the building.
He's also yelling
Caller
in your
can't
car
tell
right
if
now
it's
that you have no
physical,
right
but
to
you can hear
search
them
and you
arguing.
don't have permission, blah, blah, blah.
Okay.
I told him I would let you know.
that?
You may not know this yet, Kristen, but are we filming this?
Yeah, we are.
I'll send this.
What was the original reason for the stop?
Well, he didn't use a turn signal on 305, and then when we turned at Euclid from 305, he made an improper turn.
What was improper about the turn?
Go ahead.
He turned into the wrong way.
We're all set.
We're all set.
So he turned into the right, the
Correct.
lane from, okay.
Correct.
Copy 1634. Caller drove up to the apartment and saw them arguing. She stepped inside, cannot see them any longer, but can hear them still.
Yeah, it moves.
No.
The whole thing, like the whole bottom and
You can tell
stuff.
me
So.
they're in a blue vehicle.
The homeowner said it was smoke from cooking, so your call when you're continuing. Okay, 14 will continue and 22 will remain in quarters. 14 is going to 1750 East 294 at 1633.
It comes back to a blue Chevy, but can you verify the VIN? Because it comes back to like a white male.
The other male
I'm sure he's in custody yet.
What's that? You said he was obstructing, right?
Yeah, I don't. Nothing there. It's very weird.
18-year-old male out of our city, 5'10", 200, brown and brown. He's showing bail in with no one.
Okay, thank you. What?
I don't think we don't have an ID on your guy yet.
Nope, and there isn't one in the car.
Not one in the car?
Unless
I don't know if it's not being truthful or not.
I didn't get to him yet.
So he's going to lead on. Now to talk to him. He's wanted to talk to me before.
Oh, let's go ahead.
I'm being charged with. What's that? I'm not being charged with
Obstructing, resisting.
I wasn't resisting.
Can one of you guys meet me down?
I was not resisting arrest.
See me down here.
I did not resist arrest at all.
Okay.
Apartment.
So when I asked you to stop going into the house, to get on the ground, that's not resisting?
You pulled your weapon on me.
Not at that point, no.
You pulled your weapon on me,
Okay.
and I'm unarmed.
Okay.
Copy.
You would have shot me
Officer Regner.
for nothing.
Okay. What's your name?
Okay, I'm just turning around now. Just so you have it, it's George King Com 7056. She's mentioned to somebody at Dino's that she no longer wants to live. Car's over here now.
You didn't. You're right. Listen.
I didn't know what was going on.
I know. Can you let me finish? Can you let me finish? Can you let me finish?
Union
Okay.
Edward 272494.
Can you?
Union Edward
So he doesn't stop.
272494.
He wants to run out of the house, and he wants to run in the house. And you closed the door. You did the right thing. Okay. The problem is when there's one of me, and would you understand that I'm a lot smaller?
I'm sorry.
Okay. Listen to me. Let me finish, okay? He's not complying with my orders, and I'm by myself. And there's two of you and one of me. All I did was ask you to go in the house. You can videotape all day long.
I was standing in front of my stand.
That's fine. Listen, let me finish, man. Let me finish, okay? You can videotape all day long. I don't have a problem with that. But when there's... Let me finish, man.
You're right. I'm sorry.
Let me finish, okay? You can videotape all day long, but when I need you to go in the house while I'm trying to finish what I need to do, when there's one of me until my backup comes, that's all. That's the problem I have. So that's why you were being detained until I can figure out what's going on, okay? There was one of me, there's two of you, okay? I need to put myself in a better position. That's all, okay? You're not going to jail. You're not under arrest. We had to detain you until we figured out what was going on, okay? That's all, okay?
So
that's all.
Going to jail.
Listen, had he just stopped, I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. He's running at me or away from me. I have to protect myself, okay?
I understand. I'm sorry.
I need to go home tonight.
I understand.
I don't know what's going on. I asked him to show me his hands. I didn't know he had a sling at first. He did. He complied with that. And then he's trying to run away from me. I said, don't go in the house. Don't go in the house.
He has a lot of mental health issues.
Okay. What's going on with him? Talk to me.
He just has a lot of mental health issues.
Okay.
And he has so many anger problems. I don't know what's going to happen. He lashes out.
Okay.
Just anything could happen. I just didn't want to see my brother get shot.
Okay. Listen, man. I don't want to shoot him. That's not what I'm here for. I'm just trying to protect myself until somebody else comes. And that wasn't working either. He doesn't want to comply with anything. But when I have two of you and there's one of me, I need to have the upper hand. I need to go home tonight. And whatever that is to make sure that I go home tonight. Okay? All I was asking you to do is just to go in the house for a minute. So you can tape all you want. But listen. Just listen to me at that time. Okay? I get it. It's your brother, man. I get it. That's all. All right? Come on out. Come on out. Bend at your waist, okay? Because the locks are underneath.
I can do it for you.
Somebody got my glasses and my phone.
I think we do, yeah. Here you go. All right, here's the deal. He's going to jail for a couple things, okay? Once he gets booked in, he'll get a phone call and let you know what's going on, okay?
What about my glasses? Do you know where those are?
I never picked them up.
Might be over here. Come on over here. Did anybody get his phone number?
I did not know.
What's your phone number, ma'am?
216.
Does he live here with you?
No.
Okay. Okay. All right. You checked that already?
There's another scale and more weed in there. It's pretty far. That's where you got his ID to?
Let him go on.
Thanks. Yeah. Because he was really just videotaping. But the problem is there's two of them and one of me. I'm just saying, get out of there.
He was right in our face and he wasn't listening.